And now to our next story. Close to 3 lakh planned residential units in NCR's Noida extension finally have a clear title. The Supreme Court has dismissed all petitions of farmers that sought to cancel the acquisition of land. This means that about 1 lakh flat allottees can heave a sigh of relief about the fate of their investments. But does this apex court reprieve mean Noida extension as a property destination will get re-rated? Here's my report. The Noida extension property market is back from the brink. Ever since 2011, a series of legal setbacks had dragged this affordable housing hub into uncertainty when farmers across 65 villages went to court seeking to reverse the acquisition of their land. Upholding the 2011 verdict of the Allahabad High Court, the Supreme Court has ruled that land acquisition will not be quashed, and that both the Noida Authority and farmers have to accept and go ahead with the compensation formula ordered by the High Court earlier. There are close to 200 residential projects developing in Noida extension, and close to 100 builders now have the go-ahead to kickstart their construction.
We were not aware what is likely to happen. So it was a half-hearted approach, and that was resulting in bad market sentiments also. So today we find a sigh of relief, and all the developer community, whatever is developing in Noida extension, you will find will go in full throttle, and all the developers are willing to deliver their projects and hand over their positions to the customers.
Sentiments towards Noida extension will surely improve. But what about the fundamentals of this market? Properties in Noida extension are still in an affordable range for Delhi NCR standards at 35-50 rupees per square foot. And while interest from affordable home seekers never died down, sales had shrunk because of the uncertain nature of investments here. And that has meant that developers in Noida extension are facing a huge backlog of construction, with the cash registers of many bleeding from the cost overruns. The long-drawn saga of farmers fighting in court for their land is over. But now facing developers in Noida extension are a new set of challenges: finding finance in a cash-strapped market to complete their projects. Developers are hoping the legal clarity on the status of land in Noida extension will give banks the confidence to end the lending embargo they had imposed during the height of the crisis.
ऐसे डेवलपर्स हैं जो उन्होंने बड़ा प्रिमिटिव रेट पर अपने उसमें 3 साल में बन जाता, बिक जाता, तो कंज्यूमर के लिए भी अच्छा था और बिल्डर भी निकल जाता। लेकिन जो ये डिले हो गया, डेवलपर के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट लोड, अनदर फैक्टर्स का लोड और किसान का कंपनसेशन, ये भी बढ़ गया। तो प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए अगर उसको कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रोविजंस मिल रहा है कि चलो एफआर अगर बढ़ जाता है तो हम एक टावर एक्स्ट्रा बना लिया, ना तो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से कोई सपोर्ट मिलता, कोई सब्सिडी तो डेवलपर को मिलती नहीं।
Meanwhile, property buyers in Noida extension say their fight does not end with the Supreme Court order. They say it's unfair for builders to pass on the burden of farmer compensation to them.
इश्यूज अभी भी जो चल रहे हैं वो है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी के इश्यूज हैं, लेट पोजीशन के इश्यूज हैं, इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू पेमेंट्स, डिले इन पेमेंट्स, जिसमें के चार्जेस लगाए जा रहे हैं, अनवांटेड चार्जेस बिल्डर हमारे ऊपर लगा रहा है।
देखिए, बिल्डर के लिए सरकार ने, अथॉरिटी ने काफी सारे रास्ते खोल रखे हैं और उनको बेनिफिट दिया है, 2 बार एफआर बढ़ाया है, और बिल्डर ने अपने लॉसेस कम करने के लिए, आप बेनिफिट ज्यादा करने के लिए, आप सोचिए पहले 1800 रुपए में बुकिंग करी जाती थी, आज की डेट में वहाँ 4000 रुपए और 3600 रुपए में बुकिंग कम से कम हो रही है। तो बिल्डर के लॉसेस तो पूरे हो रहे हैं, लेकिन बायर कहाँ जाए?
As Noida extension awaits the first trickle of interested buyers, market watchers are sure that property prices are likely to remain in check in the near term. With camera person K. Ravi, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.